We live out in the country, and my husband is building us a small house. He took the sticker off this window after he installed it, and as you can see, some of the sticker was left behind. I'm going to use the Goo Gone glue and adhesive remover here to get it off. I'm going to spray it on and wait a few minutes. Then I will use the included scraper on the lid to remove the sticky. Now that I've gotten it all off, I'm going to wipe the window and then clean the surface with soap and water. Goo Gone helped clean the window, and it was so easy. This product is available at your favorite local store and online at googone.com.